Okay, so this is the house here that we are talking to you about. It's 180 square meters, which costs about 3.8. So since the house is locked, all the pictures that we send you is the right pictures inside the house. So fully furnished nito na. So it is fully furnished. It has aircon inside the house. Alright, as you can see. So these are the surroundings. Alright, this is the biggest house that you can ever had. When it comes probably about the ceilings, so high ceilings. High ceilings nito, no? Atong ginsudlan ta sa nagligad sang nagtour ta sa Amerikano, same lang to, no? Naalala mo to last year, last 2019. Okay. So dako lang ni lote.
Corner lot.
So corner lot. This is a prime lot. Yeah. So there's a lot of parking spaces inside or outside the house. Okay. So pwede ko. So right. So when it comes to the surroundings, so as you can see, there is non-renovation outside the house, but it has a green ground. So this is a first services. All right, so it has a water tank, and yeah, this is there has an extension. Okay. Okay, so this is what you get. So if you are interested about this property, you can check the actual property with your fiance, so that we can tour her inside of the house. In this kind of subdivision, this is a high-end subdivision, and this is worth living